The key component to making any car drivable is the suspension. There have always been a multitude of variations in suspension design, both in the OEM and aftermarket worlds. One of the more recognizable parts in a suspension system is the spring. Whether it's a steel coil, leaf, or an air spring, they're all achieving the same goal of supporting the vehicle's weight and isolating you from the road. When we talk about air suspension, it's important to understand the role of the air spring itself. One of these replaces the steel spring on each corner of the car. The primary benefit of the air spring is that you can raise and lower the vehicle from inside the car. To accomplish this, you'll have an air management package. This consists of a control system, valves, tank, compressors, plumbing, and some wiring. An air management system supplies air to the air springs to raise and lower the vehicle. With modern air management in place, you have the freedom to drive your car, not have to worry about manually controlling your suspension.